Hello kids, can you name these beautiful birds? Let's find point together.
And peacock. Wow. And parrot. Wow. Eagle. Wow. And ostrich. Vulture. And woodpecker. And hooded crow. Rooster. And hen. And sparrow. Pigeon. Toucan. And swan. Wow. And duck. Wow, duck. Seagulls. Bat. Owl. So bye.
Hi kids, do you know these brave animals last learn their names together?
And cat. And cow. Squirrel. Wow. Rooster. Donkey. And piggy. Dog. Goose. Sheep. Bull. Goat. Turkey. Wow. And horse.
Wow kids, can you guess these wild animals last learn the fun and
Lion. Fox. And tiger. And camel. Wow. And wolf. And monkey. And giraffe. And elephant. Wow. And kangaroo. So nice. And leopard. Wow. Leopard. And hippo. Giraffe. Wow. Giraffe. Godzilla. Panda. Bear.